Perla Lichi said my hallway should look like the gates of heaven. And honey, she nailed it.
This ceiling is my gateway to Atlantis, girls. This balcony's where mermaids go to gossip. It's so bright out here, I'm afraid the sun's gonna send me an invoice. Perla, darling, this isn't a dining room, it's a museum. I'm afraid to even eat in here.
Perla turned my condo into an ocean nightclub. I keep expecting a DJ to pop out of the wall.
Perla turned my kitchen into a sapphire disco. I'm never leaving this island.
One onion chop and you'll owe her 50 grand.
Bury me here! But wait till you see the dining room.
Perla, darling, bury me on this countertop. I want my tombstone to say, she died fabulous in blue lapis.
Perla designed this room to make me feel like Poseidon's queen. And darling, she delivered.
Perla, sweetie, how much does it cost to wipe fingerprints off a room this fancy?
Perla didn't just design a kitchen. She turned it into a sapphire palace. I'm ready to marry my countertops.
Perla didn't give me a dining room. She gave me a goddess table. I feel like I should serve caviar in high heels every night.
Even the furniture feels more glamorous than I do.
Well, not quite.
This wall's worth more than my ex's boat.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You guys ever end up trying to do that? Well, I got something to say to you today. When in doubt, guys, go blue. Yeah, did you know that blue is considered one of the most universally loved colors in the world? Well, yeah, because no matter where you travel, no matter what culture you visit, no matter what language people speak, but almost always ends up being one of the favorite colors. You guys, as an interior designer, I find that fascinating because after more than 40 years designing homes around the world, people may argue about kitchens. They may argue about countertops. They may argue about whether the TV should be 85 inches or 100 inches. Well, they're wrong. By the way, that's another episode. Ooh, yeah, because, size does matter, but proportion matters more. So, back to blue. When it comes to blue, the arguments usually disappear. Yes. Blue is the peacemaker. Yeah. Blue walks into a room and everybody suddenly behaves. Yeah, like me. Well, think about it. Let's think about it, because no one has ever looked at the ocean and said, "Oh, you know what this needs? Blue. Hello? More anxiety? No one has ever looked up at a beautiful blue sky and said, "Oh, this is making me nervous." Guys, blue has been calming people down long before therapists were even invented. And the best part, blue doesn't charge by the hour. Just saying. Oh, goodness. Oh, let me calm down. Let me look at some blue so I can actually calm down my nerves. Psychology of color. Blue. Oh, yeah, I feel better. Now, there's something interesting. Blue isn't just one color, guys. It has an entire family. Yes, you got navy blue, royal blue, French blue, powder blue, baby blue, cobalt, turquoise, aqua, teal, steel blue, ice blue. And it goes on and on, just naming them. Ooh, honey, I got a couple names for some of the rich blues that I've been using lately. But every one of them has a completely, different personality. Notice that one. Example, let's look at this one. Navy walks into the room wearing a tuxedo. Ooh, excuse-moi. And then baby blue shows up in linen pants on a vacation. Then you got turquoise. Oh, honey. Ooh. turquoise has already booked a suite in the Caribbean, and cobalt then is another one who's like jealous. I'm like, what's up with that? Well, cobalt owns the yacht. Or should I say yacht? Yacht. Well, that's the beauty of blue. Some family, very different lifestyles. Think about it. It can be done based on what you feel good with. So, now, here comes your favorite part, guys. Yeah. Let's talk luxury. Yeah, because this is where blue becomes really exciting. Most people think blue means, paint. Well, no. Guys, paint is just the beginning. Blue can become a glowing slab of agate. Ew, yeah, those golden girls love that one. Oh, I do too, by the way. Well, I am a golden girl. After all, yeah, it comes with experience. And that looks like it actually belongs in a museum. Hold on. Yes. Oh, one of my faves I want to mention. Blue onyx can be backlit, practically glows like a jewelry. A blue Murano glass catches light like diamonds. Yes, they keep saying, ooh, diamonds are gold's best friend. Oh, they keep saying that. And then you got blue velvet. Oh, gosh. Blue velvet can just wrap around the sofa like a custom evening gown. Ooh. Oh, let's have some blue mosaics because those can transform a swimming pool into something that belongs at a 6-star resort. What else? Let me think here. Blue wallpaper. That can completely change a room. Totally. Okay, we can go with a blue cabinetry. It certainly can actually look custom. Oh, guys. My favorite, of course, blue artwork. Yes, that blue artwork becomes the star of the room. Bring in blue crystal chandeliers. They sparkle like sapphires. Yes, the crown jewels. The crown jewels, yeah. Then you got blue decorative pillows. That's an easy one. So simple. Everything matters. Even the pillows matter. I mean, think about it. I've never had anyone walk into one of my projects and say, Perla, oh, this room is beautiful. But I really wish there was less luxury. Oh gosh, well, that's a big problem, yeah. Well, actually, that has never happened. I didn't meet that person yet. I mean, we all want some luxury somehow, don't we? Just saying. Yes. So, as you're watching today's episode, guys, think about it. Every home you're seeing belongs to the real people. Yes, these are not fantasy rooms. No, these are homes where families laugh. Oh, they celebrate birthdays, they have dinner, they welcome friends, and they actually live their real lives. And then I gotta tell you that many of them specifically, ask for blue.
Welcome, ladies, to Perla's greatest work yet, M.E.
Lord, save us.
I should have worn sunglasses. It's like the Taj Mahal in here. Perla calls this hallway Heaven's Runway.
More like heaven's mortgage.
If I faint, just lay me on the marble. It's cooler than my ex. Perla turned my kitchen into a sapphire disco. I'm never leaving this island.
One onion chop in here and you'll owe Perla 50 grand.
Perla calls this her goddess table. I feel like Beyonce should be serving hors d'oeuvres.
One sneeze in here and I'll owe a cleaning crew 3 grand.
Perla said, sleep like a legend. So now I only nap in diamonds.
My mattress came from Sears.
So who wants Perla's number?
Only if she offers funeral discounts.
Listen, if you're rich and want a house this fabulous, go to Perla's Instagram and send her a message. Perla says this balcony's where mermaids come to gossip.
It's so bright out here, I'm waiting for the sun to send me a bill.
Perla, honey, are you trying to drown me in vitamin C? So who wants Perla's number?
Only if she offers funeral discounts.
Listen, if you're rich and want a house this fabulous, go to Perla's Instagram.
Grandma, 'cause that's so bland. Don't call me grandma, you can call me grandma.
Not because I convinced them. Oh no, I would never do that. No. I'm not talking you into anything. No. But because they were naturally, by default, by nature, guys, drawn to it. Yes, that's what blue does. It quietly pulls you in. That's blue. It rules you. It rules you. No, you drool over it. It pulls you in, guys. Always. So, now, let's clear something up. Blue is not just for beach houses. No, no, no. I don't care how coastal it is. Please, guys, blue looks just as spectacular in a penthouse, a traditional estate, a modern apartment, a mountain retreat, a classic residence, even a Mediterranean villa. I'll even throw it in the Art Deco masterpiece, probably peacock blue. Yes, blue is basically the passport of interior design. Oh yes, it travels well, and it also, bad news, never, ever, ever needs a visa. So, now, can you ever use too much blue? Absolutely. If your walls are blue, your ceiling is blue, your sofa is blue, your rug is blue, your curtains are blue. Oh, honey, your dishes are blue, your coffee maker is blue, your toothbrush is blue. Yeah, of course, your dog has a blue collar. Yeah, your cat has blue toys. Well, guys, congratulations. You've successfully decorated for the Dolphins. And I'm not talking the football team because they have different color scheme, as you know. Yeah, Miami Dolphins. Talking the Dolphins in the ocean, guys. Because everything in design is about balance. Yeah. Luxury isn't about using more. No, luxury is about knowing exactly where to stop. Yeah, believe it or not. Sometimes just one magnificent agate blue. Oh, that wall says everything. But then, sometimes one navy sofa becomes the hero. Yeah, why not? And then sometimes, let's say, an incredible piece of cobalt artwork. It changes the entire room. And that's the difference between decorating and designing. Another reason why I love blue. Oh, guys, I could give you a few. Well, blue knows how to share. Yeah, it does know how to share, not a selfish color. Blue actually loves white. Ooh, blue loves cream. Blue loves warm woods. Yeah, balance, earth and water. Blue loves gold. Blue loves silver. Blue even gets along with black. Guys, blue is like that friend, yeah, who can sit at any table during Thanksgiving dinner and nobody starts an argument. No, it never does. And that's actually what I call a talented color. Yes, love him, love him, love him. All shades of blue, more than 50, by the way. So people ask me all the time, hey, Perla, what is the safest luxury color? Well, without even thinking, blue, because blue is timeless. Blue photographs beautifully. Blue reflects light. Oh, guys, blue feels fresh. Blue feels elegant. Blue feels also expensive without trying too hard. Oh, goodness. And I'm gonna go with this and tell you my favorite part. Blue doesn't scream. I'm not gonna scream, guys, not today. It doesn't scream. Blue whispers. Yes, and luxury has never needed to scream, regardless what I do. Guys, I scream, I get excited. I do it out of passion. I do it because I'm inspired, so my passion makes me scream. Okay, I can't help it. That's just, comes with territory. So, the next time you are designing your home and you're standing there surrounded by 200 paint samples. Oh no! Oh my God! I've seen that. Well, I know Pinterest has confused you. Yeah, probably your spouse has changed their mind well, like 6-7 times. Well, probably your contractor suddenly has an opinion about color. Ooh, yeah, they're out there. Well, right now. Take a deep breath. Look at the blue samples. I don't know how many you got, but just look at them. Because after designing luxury homes for more than 4 decades, I've learned something that almost never fails. This is it. Okay, when in doubt, just go blue, okay? Because blue isn't just one of the world's favorite colors. Oh no. Blue is one of the world's favorite feelings. Oh, yes. And that's exactly why it never ever goes out of style. It's all about emotion, emotional design. It suits your soul. It feels good in any home. And that's all I got to say. Just go blue.
Don't call me grandma or call